Let's work on creating a profile for you in our new author incubator. First, you need to go to the site. So, on your search engine browser, type the name of the website, iAuthor.org. Now that you arrived on the website, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the website. Click on the place that says, Log in. You will be redirected to a page that will present you with 3 alternatives to log in. Here you can log in using your Facebook account, your Google account, or using your regular email account. In my case, I decided to enter my email, which you can see here. After you log on, a new page will open. You can also write something about yourself on this page. It is important to remember that every time you add or change the information on your profile, you should save it. This way you will not lose your data. Make sure to add a photo and a good bio to your profile. Your author profile will function as your media kit, so keep it updated and sharp. With this profile, you can improve your visibility on search engines. This can be improved even further using one of our new directory features. We will explain this later. You can see that I changed my screen name from my email address to my name, to Linda Brown. When you do this, don't forget to save your changes and update your information. As you can see, I also added an updated photo of myself and updated my display name. Next, look toward the bottom of the page. You will see that you can and must edit your own URL on this site. As I mentioned before, this profile will serve as a media kit prototype. It can improve your Google visibility, so try to make it as personable as you can, to make your presence transparent to search engines. There. Congratulations! You have created a profile now. You are now able to apply it to the different parts of this network and start participating. You can enter focuses groups, our forums, participate in micro-training, courses, and free seminars. You can submit articles to different magazines and cross-pollinate through the diverse universe of conscious media and broadcasting. You can also host your own podcast with us. Our platform has everything to help you succeed. We are looking forward to creating together with you.